Hey there, how's everyone doing today? It is Vernitra Thomas, better known as Tweet, your favorite, your new favorite entrepreneur, kingdom business builder, mother four, and today I want to share my story with you, okay? So thank you all so much for those who are watching live. Thank you for those who are going back and catching the replay. Make sure you comment in the section below if this is the replay. Thank you so much for joining me today. So this is actually my business page, Vernitra Prosperity Thomas, and I want to thank all of my fans for being here. I want to thank everybody for your support over the years. Like, I started this page back in 2013, and here it is, 2020. Yes, you talk about some endurance. So I want to share today, like, why I came into network marketing and like how I've been able to sustain to still be here, okay? Because a lot of my friends who started off with me are doing something else now. And so I want to share my secrets with you. So welcome everyone. Come on into the room. Come on in. And can I get some hearts? Let me get some hearts. And share this broadcast because it's going to inspire someone, okay? It's going to motivate somebody and it's going to uplift somebody, okay? And pull them into taking action because now is the time for change. Yes. So welcome everyone again. If you've just joined us, thank you for being here. Thank you for opening up your mind today and listening to my story. So let me get my throat cleared. My water, let me get a water. Lenise, can you give me a water, please? So we're live, okay? So like I gotta keep going, but I've got my nerves are going right now because this is my story and it's very personal. This is my journey, and I want to share it with somebody. Thank you, baby, because I want to inspire you today. I want to uplift you. I want to motivate you to let you know that you can live your dreams, okay? Dreams do still come true. And all things are possible to the one who believes. So whatever your circumstance is, you can still do it. Whatever your situation is, you can still do it. Whatever you're going through right now, this too shall pass, okay? So I want to motivate you today. So why I became a network marketer? Well, I became a network marketer because I knew I could make some money here, network marketing. But moving past the money, I wanted to be able to help a lot of people. Like what I was doing before I became a network marketer, I was a restaurant general manager, and I did that for 16 years. And I just kind of got sick and tired of being sick and tired of them telling me what to do and how to do it and how long I could do it and how much money I could make. And I had a cousin who was actually network marketing at the time. Actually, she was self-employed and she was network marketing, making money online. So I called her and I was like, and I was still on my corporate job, still, you know, my high horse. I was like, tell me, like, what opportunities are out there that you can really make money on? And at the time, she was doing email, like, she was, I think she was sending out emails, or she was posting stuff online. And I said, hey Troy, welcome to the live broadcast today. Thank you for being here. And all of my live watchers, thank y'all for being here. And everybody who's catching the replay, thank you for being here. Because this is my story and I want to share it today because I want to help motivate and encourage somebody and uplift them and let them know that, like, you can do this. You can network market. Like, it's a mindset. But anyway, let me get back to my story. So my cousin, she told me that she was posting ads on Facebook, and she was also sending emails. That's how she was making money. And she let me know how much she was making, and I was like, well, that's really not enough money for me, but like, at least I know that there's something out there that I can make money doing. So that was in my spirit, and about 6 months later, I got a message from, what did I get that message? It came as an email, okay? And it said that they had an opportunity and God had placed it on their heart and they wanted to share it with me. And it was up to me whether I want to take it or not. So I knew what I was looking for. I knew what I was praying for. And, you know, I'm a faith walker. I walk by faith and not by sight. And so I just clicked the link. And when I clicked the link, it was a network marketing opportunity. And the opportunity was to blog. Okay, and I thought to myself, I'm a good writer. I could blog to make money. If someone taught me how to do it, like, I could do it. If I had a support team, I could do it. Like, if I had a system I could follow, I could do it. So I had all three of those things. And so I sat with that leader for 5 months. I sat under their leadership, and I worked my corporate job during the day, and at night I would be mentored. I would be coached by this amazing network marketer. And I was so grateful that, you know, they saw opportunity in me and they saw my dream in me, which was to stay home and raise my children and be able to help others along the way. And they poured all that they could into me. And finally, after about 5 months, I went to them and I said, I'm ready to quit my job. And he said, wonderful, you know, when are you going to tell your family? I said, I'll tell them when I put my 2 weeks notice in, because I didn't want anybody to discourage me. I didn't want anybody to, like, kill my dream at all. So that's what I did. I put my 2 weeks notice in June of 2013, and July 3rd, 2013 was my last day working for corporate America. So I've been a full-time entrepreneur ever since. And it was so good for me that year because I got to take 4th of July off, okay? I didn't have to worry about nobody calling me in, or nobody was missing any product, or somebody didn't come to work, or whatever the case may have been. I didn't have to worry about anything because I was free. So it was a real Independence Day for me. July 4th, 2013. So fast forward to today, 7 years plus later, okay, and I'm still network marketing. Okay, I'm not blogging with that company anymore. I've gone through a lot of companies, a lot of network marketing companies, and I can share this secret with you. Okay, when you join a new business, or you join a new organization, or you join a new team, it's all about you and the things that you can contribute to the team. Okay, the team, they're already established. The team, they already know where they're going, but you have to know where you're going when you enter into the team. So I was grateful that I was already a leader. I was like a self-made leader, and I knew exactly what I was doing when I entered into each team that I was joining. And I'm grateful to say that we're still friends. And so what happens when you join a network marketing opportunity, there are highs and there are lows. And just like with any business, just like with any team, you know. And so when things got to be low, then I just, you know, went somewhere else where I could continue to be, you know, high and lifted up. And so that's how I've been able to maintain being a network marketer for 7+ years. I've established my own brand, Vernitra Thomas Financials, and now I'm branding myself, Vernitra Thomas. Check me out, my website, VernitraThomas.com. And so I wanted to share with you today that, like, you can do it too. A lot of people talk about the pyramid scheme and you getting scammed and, you know, being left behind and being misled. Don't blame anybody but yourself, okay? Because you've got to know what you want, okay? You got to know what you want. Do you want leadership? Do you want to be a leader? Do you want to be a follower? And that's fine if you just want to follow somebody, because I followed a lot of leaders a lot of years before I became a leader myself. And when you join a new network marketing opportunity, you've got to be willing to be a follower. So, like, you got to know what you want and what you have to offer. Now, for those of you who have the mindset that network marketing is a pyramid scheme, how how can I address that? It's a mindset, okay? You are the leader, and you set the standards for what happens under you, and you set the standards for what happens above you, okay? So, like, you are the point of attraction, okay? So, scratch the pyramid scheme, because, like, you'll get lost in network marketing with that mindset. There is a place for you. And I'm finding out that most network marketers are women. Yes, most network marketers are women. I'm actually reading a book now, The Business of the 21st Century by Robert Kiyosaki. And I'm finding out a lot of great things about network marketing. So for those of you who have the mindset that network marketing is a pyramid scheme, I would highly recommend you read Robert Kiyosaki's book, okay, The Business of the 21st Century. All right, so for those of you who think that network marketing is, all about taking your money, you have to learn to invest in yourself. If you don't put nothing in you, like, what's going to come out of you? Like, if you are not the one who is deliberately pouring into yourself, sowing into yourself, investing into yourself, like, what do you expect to come out? Again, you've got to change your mindset. Network marketing is all about mindset, personal development. So, those are my secrets. And I hope that I have been able to inspire somebody today, uplift somebody, encourage somebody today. Actually, I am in a new network marketing opportunity, and I'm thrilled about it, okay? And I love the fact that, like, no matter what I'm doing, I'm always excited. But I'm really excited now, y'all, because I am talking about this network marketing opportunity. It has given me the opportunity to actually physically own silver. Now, I've been in other network marketing opportunities where the goal was to own real gold, G-O-L-D, but I never owned any gold. I never owned any physical gold. Like, I'm wearing gold in my necklace, but as far as like having a gram of gold or an ounce of gold, like, that never happened for me. But in this network marketing company, like, I own real silver. And I'm finding out that the different types of silvers that there are to own. Like, this is a numismatic coin, and this is a MS-70. So I'm finding out and this is an American eagle, silver eagle. This is a silver eagle. So I'm finding out, like, all about money and currency, and this network marketing opportunity is so different from the ones that I have been a part of the last 7 years. And I'm excited because, again, it's not just about the product, owning physical silver, okay? Let me show you what else I got. It's just not about owning physical silver, okay? It's a great team. Like, I'm excited about listening to the team, listening to the corporate calls. I'm excited to be there. I'm on the East Coast, so they are on Mountain Standard Time. So they're like 2 hours behind me. Yeah, they're two hours behind me, but it doesn't matter. I'm still up at 10 o'clock to make sure that I'm plugged in to the corporate opportunities that are coming up. And I also love the fact that there is amazing leadership. Like, there's so many types of leaders. There's not just the sharks, the people who are all about the money. It's not just about people who are giving, those whales, people who just want to just give. It's not just those types of leaders. It's not just about all the dolphins like me who want to just have fun. It's not about the urchins, those who are concerned about the numbers or the research. There's all different types of leaders, and we bring our skill sets, we bring our talents, and we bring our developed abilities, okay? We bring our abilities all together to just make this amazing influence. And so we're helping a lot of people, and I'm actually building my business those who want to build with me, who want to be a big business builder, or for those who just want to, just follow, just be a customer. Buy some silver. Also buy some gold. We have gold for those of you who are interested in gold. So, yeah, that's my story. I just kind of wanted to share it with you today about why I'm so excited, why I'm still in the game of network marketing, and what I'm doing today and how you can be involved. So if you're interested, okay, leave info in the bottom of this video, and I'll direct message you on how you can find out more about the network marketing opportunity that I am involved in now, okay? So thank y'all so much for watching. I am Vernitra Thomas, better known as Tweet, and let me leave you with these words because they are encouraging. We see things differently, okay? They say stop and we say go. We are obsessed with significance, okay? They said we couldn't do it and we did it anyway. I love that. We're coming for everything they said we couldn't have. Yes, we're building leaders, we're building teachers, we're building entrepreneurs just like you that want to create generational wealth that transforms families, okay? Bringing hope to the hopeless and significance to the successful. Who are we? We are the believers, and we believe in you. I am Vernitra Thomas. Peace, your new favorite entrepreneur. Thanks for watching.